Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to claim zoo airdrop, how to farm new zoo. So zoo is a new airdrop outside there that is there for farming. So what you need to do is go to your telegram, open your zoo, and let me show you. Can see, and the more it mines, oh, this is a new mining. So let's see. You can see, click on next. You can click on I accept and click on start, and this is how you start. So now for you to join, you have what for. You can see you have 3,000 shots. You can make this photo. So this is it. This is what you're supposed to do now. So how do you do it to get coins? What you need to do is click on this. Once you click on it, you can see buy animal. That's for this. So you use this thing that you have to buy animals. So I'm going to buy this now, and I've buy it. You can see I have one coin. So you can tap on this again. Okay, now so if I'm going to buy rabbit, I have to use this thing. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to buy rabbits. You can see. So this is how you do it to get your coin. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. So you can do this one now. I'm going to buy squirrel, and you can see. So now if I want to level up, I have this 74. So that's how you do it, and be able to. You can see this is how you do it, and you'll be able to get your coin very easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, don't comment and subscribe.